In this video, I am doing an installation of the WeatherTech underseat cargo storage system on my 2016 Chevrolet Silverado that I use as my tow rig.
Leo in a box, isn't that cute?
Bobcat in a Box is a free webcomic that you can have sent to your favorite email and read it on your favorite electronic device. All you gotta do is click the link in my description. Enjoy the comic that's shown and scroll down to the bottom and put your name in, your email address, and in the influencer code slot put Scott so they know that you heard about it from Firebird-2000, and then click send. Alrighty, package arrived for the tow rig daily driver to help make my racing season a little easier. As you can see, it's a big old box. And it says WeatherTech. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this bad boy, and I have no idea what's in the box because you're seeing me open it for the very first time. So there's no no setup to this video part or this segment or anything. So here we go. That seemed almost too easy, didn't it? Pretty easy. Anything else in the box? I don't see nothing. She's empty. This is all this packaging. Good luck, please. Oh wow, this is nice. This is very nice. Very nice. Made in USA, very important. It was worth what I paid for it, definitely. Sweet, now let's get this bad boy in the truck. This dude is made to fit right underneath the back seat of my truck. And it's even the same color as my interior. It is a beautiful day here in central Indiana. This is the first nice day we've had this year. I think it's like 70 degrees. So I want to show you what the current situation with the truck is. And currently I use this cardboard box right here, and I keep all my tools and stuff in it for the track. And then as you can see, the rest of the floor is a total mess. So this WeatherTech item that I got goes under the seat here and makes good use of that dead space. So let's get it put in. Well, it's a frosty morning this morning while we're going to put this guy on here. So we're going to just come back here and open this back door and slide her in. Wow, that ought to do it. That was pretty easy. This isn't any kind of joke, but I honestly did not see these installation instructions and this safety strap in the bag until after I had slid it into the truck, which that strap seems to be a good idea. So let's take a look at these instructions and see if I missed anything important. Oh, as I suspected, that goes around the tire jack to hold the whole assembly down, which that's pretty cool. And like I've said before, made in USA, baby. After a hard morning of throwing that WeatherTech thing in the tow rig, we're gonna poison our body with some McDonald's. Yum, yum, yum. Yep, it's never easy when I come to McDonald's. Why do I keep coming here? This is minutes of my life I'm never gonna get back. Well, it's the same day as I put the WeatherTech storage unit in, and as you can see, the weather has totally changed. It's way nicer. And now I have plenty of storage under the seat, and you can't see it when the seat's down. Very pleased with this purchase. Alright, we're road testing the WeatherTech storage unit under the seat, and I'm happy to report that all the tools and whatnot that I've got stuck in there, none of it rattles. And the only rattle I got is my seatbelt rattling against the passenger side door, which that always happens, so no new rattles. And even hitting the bumps, I didn't hear anything jostle around back there, so I'm very pleased. Very, very pleased. All right, here's the 1 week checkup on the stuff in the storage unit, and it's all where I put it, pretty much. It's kind of hard to see that. It's a little dark over there, I guess, but none of it's moved. Very pleased.